Imagine earning $100 an hour, no degree, no boss, and no 9 to 5. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. In this video, we'll break down the best high-income skills you can learn today, how to start freelancing with zero experience, and real case studies of people making six figures online. Let's dive in. Section 1. Best high-income skills for 2025. Here are the top 3 high-income skills you need to start earning big in 2025. Copywriting, words that sell. Companies pay hundreds per project for good copy. Video editing, with YouTube and TikTok booming, editors are in high demand. AI prompt engineering. Yes, prompting ChatGPT is now a skill. Businesses pay for quality prompts to generate content, emails, and code. Section 2. How to start freelancing on Fiverr and Upwork. Getting started is easier than you think. Create a professional profile, highlight your skill, add a portfolio, and optimize your bio with keywords. Start small, offer entry-level gigs to build reviews. Use AI tools to enhance your delivery and reduce work time. For example, Descript for editing, Jasper for copywriting, or Canva for quick design. Tip: use buyer request sections and cold DMs on LinkedIn to land your first few clients. Section 3. How to attract high-paying clients. High-paying clients are everywhere. You just need to know where to look. Niche down. Focus on a specific industry like real estate, tech, or health. Build credibility. Use LinkedIn, personal websites, and testimonials. Upsell services. Start with a basic gig, then offer advanced packages or monthly retainers. Case study: Sarah, a copywriter from Texas, now charges $150 per hour after building a simple website and getting testimonials. Section 4. AI-assisted freelancing for maximum efficiency. Want to work less and earn more? Use AI to speed up your workflow. ChatGPT, draft emails, scripts, or content in seconds. Pictory, turn blogs into videos automatically. Runway ML, automate video editing with one click. These tools help you deliver faster, win more clients, and scale your freelancing business without burning out. Freelancing is the fastest way to make real money online in 2025. No degree, no limits, just your skill, strategy, and hustle. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and drop a comment with the skill you'll learn first.